Yo, welcome back to Jex Kicks, and today we are back here with another unboxing. The Supreme Sand Box Loco unboxing. So I'm definitely excited to take a look at this. So without further ado, let's just get right into it, man. So yes, I was able to pick this up. And I definitely wanted to get the sand colorway the most, because I felt like the camo hoodie, I know that was gonna fly very fast, and a lot of people were starting to get hyped up for this, like literally the day before the release. A lot of people were starting to like the sand colorway, so I was like, oh shoot, hopefully I can pick this one up, because this is the one that I really wanted. So the fact that we have it, I'm happy for it. It definitely did sell out pretty fast, and yeah. So yeah, I already told you guys this is an extra large, and we're gonna go ahead and have it on body and stuff, take a look at all the details. But just first off, on the hood, you can see the embroidered 2023 stitch right there. Really cool. And then here is the box logo. You know, it's nothing too much. You already know what you're going to get from a box logo. So, really cool, man. I actually like it in hand. Like, in hand, this looks even better. See, like, when I saw the images of this hoodie, I was like, oh yeah, this is definitely going to be it. But wow, seeing it in hand, it looks really nice, really clean. Quality wise, seems really good as well too. So definitely, I definitely like this a lot. So let's go ahead and try it on real quick so you guys can take a better look at what's included with this item. Alright, so here it is, as you guys can see on body. And wow, it's really nice. I actually do like this colorway, man. Hey, yo, let me know. Obviously, you guys are watching this probably because you guys plan on getting this, or you guys already have it. But let me know, what do you guys think? Which one was your favorite box logo to drop? Honestly, I really do think that it's this one for me. But I would definitely like to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. There's the back as well. And here's the front. Here's the full front, as you can see. And the hoodie as well. Having the hoodie on. You can see the 23 on the top as well. Really nice, man. This colorway, man. I'm feeling this colorway a lot. Alright, cool. So yeah, there it is. So yeah, that is it right there. Obviously this is gonna be a pretty short video, you know, just showing off the hoodie. I mean, you pretty much know what a box logo is gonna come with. Obviously got the pockets and stuff. So yeah, this was like the other jackets that I did, then it'll be a more in detail type of video, because there's a whole bunch of details with it. But this, you already know what you're getting. Just another Supreme hoodie, and quality wise, like I said, really good. Definitely worth it. And I don't think resale for these are pretty high right now, so if you really want one, you can pretty much get one for a pretty decent price on the resale market. But overall, really enjoy this hoodie a lot. So I can definitely see myself getting a couple wears with this. Let me know in the comment section down below which one is your favorite out of the whole collection that dropped this season. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching Jex Kicks. Make sure you guys subscribe for more shoe unboxings and Supreme unboxings. Hey, we got a new season coming up for Supreme, so once those items get revealed, you guys definitely know I'm going to be picking up some stuff. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.